You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning a word of Arabic origin. Hammam. Hammam is how it is to be said. Hammam. And now you know, like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of many words that too many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.